Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. S.N.S. Rajakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation. In that topic is GUI in Blender. GUI is nothing but it's a graphical user interface. It is a type of interface which allows the user to interact with the computer using visual elements like windows, icons, buttons and menus. Usually before inventing the GUI, we use the command line interface, that is CMI, which is mostly offered, and we need to give commands for each and everything. According to that commands, the computer will response for us. For that only we introduce the GUI, but still some of the Android operating system we are using the CML. Unix, Linux, we are using some operations we are using the CML commands, but mostly in Android and Microsoft we are using the GUI, that is graphical user interface. Why we are using GUI? Features of GUI: first, it is a user friendly. Second, it is a visual interaction. User friendly is nothing but we can easy to use the mouse and keyboard according to the operations. Visual interaction is nothing but we can see the apps with the icons, layout, and we can use the pictures. We can also use done the multiple tasking by using the GUI. In GUI, we having the windows, icons, buttons, menus, toolbar, cursor, movement are all components of GUI. Using these components, we can access the graphical user interface according to the computer system. But in Blender, why we are using the GUI? For Blender, GUI is a most flexible and powerful for performing the various workflow. The GUI is composed of multiple editors, each serving a specific purpose according to modeling, texturing, and rendering. We are using the GUI. The editor is the editor can customized according to the user needs. The windows and panels allows what is the operators like to do and interact with the computer program. The components of GUI in Blender. Not only in Blender, the components of GUI in all the softwares and application, we have the header bar that is in the top, which located in the top of each editor and each working windows. The next is the sidebar, which is in the left and right. We have the properties, tool settings, toolbox, layers, solution explorer, like that number of things are appears in the slides bar. Next is status bar, which is located in the bottom of the screen, which shows the current operation status, that is where we are working and what is the x-axis, y-axis, what is the position of our cursor. That everything will be mentioned according to the in the status bar. Next is editor type, that is the 3D viewport, shader editor, timeline, UV editor. According to this, where the user is working, that will be come under the editor types. In editor types, the 3D viewport is a place where the user can work and user can design or create an animation. That everything will be come under the editor types. Next is this is a Blender screen. We can see the GUI, that is the file, edit, Blender, that everything will be on the top of the screen. That is the header GUI. Next is in the bottom we can see the status, and in the left side bar we can see the toolboxes, solution, layers, properties, transformation, and everything we can see. And the center, there is a viewport. In that only the user can work according to our user needs. This is a Blender screen. Next, in here we can see the tools panel, click splash screen, delete cube object selected, outline. That everything we can see from this options. Next is customization. In that, according to the Blender screen, we can customize the Blender screen according to the splitting and merging, changing editor types and workspace. Splitting and merging is nothing but we can add one more Blender screen, or we can merge two or more Blender screen together, and we can edit the editor types according to the custom needs by changing the editor settings. Next is workspace. Here, whenever the user needs to do the specific task like an layout, modeling, sculpting, and everything, everything can be done according to the user needs in the workspace. Thank you.